If you're feeling good, living good, riding good, you're ready for a chick like me. I'm in the back where the models and the bottles and the bottles be. It's something you ought to see. We club hopping, streets is watching, hips is rocking, big shit popping. Boys trying to sex me.